big problems that lots of people have when they're doing light experiments is trying to get hold of a light box. And I found some of these light ray boxes or light ray boxes really difficult to find and very expensive to purchase. So it got me thinking, is there an easy way of making a ray box? Well, initially I thought I'd just create a ray with my little torch. But the problem is with the modern LED torches, they produce a ray for every single light bulb that you have, or every single LED that you have. So when you put this up against a mirror, as you can see, it just gives you a whole series of different lines, and it's really difficult to kind of get any kind of ray out of this. So that got me thinking, is there a way I can make a ray box? And then I came across an idea from Alistair Cuthbertson, who basically said all you need is to create a slit with a single light source. So I took a piece of A4 card, I folded it in half, then into quarters, and then cut two slits directly behind each other in this card and created a little tiny filter. Now, when you put that filter down on your Raybox and get it to act as a Raybox, something rather unusual happens. That huge number of rays that you had before suddenly becomes one ray. And if you can manage to get it all lined up, you can take in any primary school, you can prove the laws of reflection, that the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. If I change this angle to say this angle, now, whoops, let me just try and get this right. Now I can see that the angle has changed. I'll bring it round even further. I can see the angle has changed again. By simply plotting those angles on a piece of card with an ordinary plain plastic mirror, the children can measure using their protractors this angle and that angle, this angle and that angle, and show that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. One of the basic laws of physics. All done with a piece of card, a cheap and cheerful LED torch, and a cheap and cheerful plastic mirror and a few pieces of card. You don't need to spend a fortune to discover that physics, in fact even physics, can be fun.